These are the elevators at the Hotel Ottilia in Copenhagen, Denmark. I think we're still part of Brøchner's place. I'm not sure. These are ThyssenKrupp elevators. I didn't leave that time. 5 rooftop restaurant terrace. Here it is. Not sure which model it is. It doesn't say. Here at 5. Back to round. There's 2 1 buttons. I guess the left 1 button's for the restrooms on the front door, the right 1 button's for the lock on the rear door. Interesting. It's a pretty nice cab. I really like the ceiling. Installed in 2018. Doesn't sound like a Synergy blue. It might be an Evolution blue, but I'm not sure. Here I get around.